Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make reverse glitters nail gels. I'm going to little bit more gel here, keeping the gel. Make sure to do to all of the nails. And then I will put in the pole gel to make the smile line. Make sure that the smile line is crisp and smooth. And blend until smooth. Blend it out again so it is nice and crisp. Do this to all of the nails. After this, you can file the smile line. I like to use 100 grit file. And after this, you are putting again the beauty gel back to the lamp and make black painting, and then put in some gel polish. I like the green color, but you can put in any color, it doesn't matter. You can make own kind of things. After this, I put in on top the gel polish, I put in the glitters. Make sure the ombre back to the lamp, and after this I put in again the blue gel on top to cover all the glitters. Do this to all of the nails. And you can pinch and you can put in again some glitters if you need. Do this to all of the nails. You can put in again some black painting, and then make sure the color is blend to the glitters. Oh, I was forget the tint. Okay, I can put it again here. Some glitters. After this, you can trim and refine the shape of the nail and just go over the surface. Make sure nice and smooth. Yeah, I really like this. A painting all of the nail with the black color. You can use any kind color. It doesn't matter what you like. You can put in any stamping or whatever you like with design, or without painting is also beautiful. It doesn't matter. But this time I just like to paint. Oh, after painting this, you can put it back into the lamp and then putting some top coat. Make sure the top coat is shiny and smooth. Yeah, this is the result. I really like it. I hope you do. And I hope you like my video. If you do, please don't forget to leave thumbs up and subscribe on my channels. And I can make you again another video, new tutorial or cooking tutorial. Have a nice day everyone, and I hope I see you again next time. Bye bye.